Evaluator, fellow Toastmasters and dear guests and Samuel Vankade in particular. You are giving your speech from project 2 of the Competent Communication Manual, and it was about organizing your speech. One of the main objectives in this is the topic that you choose. Now, the objectives require that you choose a topic that is easy to follow and understand. And the topic that you chose was a subject that is very common and most relevant, though most difficult to understand. That is the relationship between a father and a son. So I think most in the audience, and I see most of the audience here are male, so I think they would all connect very well with what you spoke, and it was of immense value. So I think you did very well on selecting the topic. Coming to the main aspect of the objective, that is organizing the speech as it suggests, is about organizing it into the opening of the speech, the body of the speech, and then the conclusion. I think you had a lot of points and sub-points and with supporting material as required in the body of the speech. I think that was very well done. I could clearly distinguish between the different parts of the speech. For instance, you started off with the description of the father, then the bunking episode, then meeting a girlfriend at the railway station, not attending exams, and then the marriage and the scene in the hospital. I think you did it very well. And of course, another very important objective of this project is about transitions. The transitions between these parts, I think, were absolutely flawless. And that, made it it had a very good flow. And for instance, between those episodes, you had some transitions, or sometimes in form of small words or something like on a separate occasion, when you had to move from one episode to the another. And then when you went into another part of the episode, you said, we do care about each other, and then you had anecdotes or experiences to show how it was. So I think those were very well put into the speech, and that probably is the reason why we got very well connected to your speech. And coming to the conclusion, I think the conclusion was very apt and effective. You gave a translation of a Tamil quote, which was very emotional. And even your speech, I thought, was like a movie wherein you had the strict father and the episodes connected with it, and then you moved on into something very emotional, wherein he supported you with during the time of your marriage as well as during his hospitalization. So I think it had a lot of emotional connect. And when you ended you had a conclusion with this wonderful quote. I think it added a lot of value and emotion, and it really gave a good feel to the whole subject, and that was done very well. And of course, the last statement, I'm sharing this information with you. Now see what you can do out of this. Now, some other aspects of the speech which are probably not directly connected with this project was about humor. I think you had a lot of play with words in your speech, like nothing happened and then something happened, and torture techniques, and he could not beat my story, and so he could not beat me that day. I think these added a lot of interest in your speech, and it was really good. Now, if I may have a suggestion, the opening of the speech I felt could have been more impactful if it was narrated in first person. For instance, you went about saying that when I lived in Bombay and when I had to make a phone call to my parents, you narrated all that. Rather than that, you could have probably started off with tring tring. Yes, Papa, it's me. Where's mother? This is the longest conversation I've ever had with my father when I was in Mumbai. Something like that would have really had a very impactful opening. Nevertheless, what followed after that was really fabulous. So I think it was a wonderful speech, and you got all of us connected with our fathers, and that really add a lot of immense value. So Samuel, I'm sharing this information with you. Now see what you can do.